Hello everyone and welcome back to the course. So far we've explored what AI is and how it is transforming the world around us. But before any AI model can learn, predict, or generate content, it needs one essential ingredient: data. In today's lesson, we'll explore the data that powers AI and why it's called the fuel of artificial intelligence. By the end of this lesson, you'll know the difference between the two and how AI unlocks its value. Let's get started. The main ingredient needed to create an AI model is data. There are two primary types of data: structured data and unstructured data. As the name suggests, structured data is organized into rows and columns. For example, you could track sales in an Excel spreadsheet, organized by transaction date, name, and amount. Structured data is easy to store and analyze, which is why businesses have relied on it for decades. Unstructured data is very different. It includes text documents, emails, and social media posts. It also includes images, videos, and audio recordings, lacking a predefined format or simple rows. Fascinatingly, approximately 80 to 90% of the world's data is unstructured. Advancements in AI now allow us to extract insights from this data, creating massive opportunities. Companies like Google and Meta use AI to analyze this digital content, finding patterns previously hidden. But how exactly do AI systems make sense of this data? That's what we'll explore in our next lesson. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.